Hello friends, today's video is for the assignment cycle December 2023, semester 2 for all streams. Subject is strategic management. Thank you so much Vikram for sharing the question papers. Let's start with question 1. You are a mobile phone manufacturer manufacturing phones for different segments of the population. Sales for your lower segment phone is falling while sales for your higher segment is increasing. Why do you think is this happening? What could be the reason? How do you deal with situation? Does this need any change of strategy? What changes would you do in strategy? Give valid reasons. Examples while answering the question. So here we have kind of a generic questions to which we don't have much of a direct connection in the textbook. So you have to start with like technological advancements, brand image, changing consumer preferences. So these are going to be your reasons that why your sales is increasing at the higher segment and decreasing at the lower segment. So what are the things you can think of to improve it? Is like enhanced lower segment features, competitive pricing, customer education, agile production. So something like that, you go ahead in this direction to write it. So here, since it is, you have to go in open source, kindly do not copy paste any content. Refer it, write it in your own words. Question 2. India has been a laggard in the world of sports. You have been appointed as a consultant for strategy for building a sports ecosystem in India. Suggest a strategic roadmap to make India a sports powerhouse. We have initiation of strategy, page number 35. Initiation of strategy, triggering events, how it is happening. So you can take some information from here. Then a framework for examination of business strategy. So it's 150. Yeah, framework for examining business strategy. So again, it's not directly to the sports. You have to connect back to the sports kind of a situation there. Some of the other suggestions you have to go ahead and open source, where you can look for like grassroots development. You have to develop from the grassroots level, then infrastructure development, talent identification and development, inclusive and diversity. So these are the certain areas again you try to focus here to be more relevant why the sports industry is not doing that well in India. Okay, question 3. You are the marketing strategy head for a major online music service. Your business is dependent on advertising, but despite the large number of consumers listening to your app, advertisers have not been enthused to advertise. What strategy should you adopt to get advertiser on board? Give example to justify your answer. Then create 2 ideas to enlarge with advertisers. Engage with the advertisers. Question A, again, go, you have to go with open source. Sorry for strategic management. Generally, the questions are a little bit open source kind of it, so that they want to understand your understanding of the subject. So that's the reason you have to do quite a good amount of work here. Yeah. First thing is try to look for data-driven targeting, interactive and immersive ad formats, and ad-free subscription, something like that. You can go ahead in this direction for the first strategy. Then for second one, advertiser workshops and webinars, ad creative competition. So these are the second ways. Okay, thank you so much, guys. I know for the strategic management, it's a little bit difficult for you to go ahead with the open source. We can't find things very straight from the textbook, but if they are available, just refer it and you'll be having a good enough of content to write it up. Thank you.